but it's not because you need a think, oh yeah, there's gonna just stuff the balloon with slime. Because obviously there's slime. But no. What we're gonna do is we are stuffing the neck because we cannot get it in the balloon. Yeah, you can get it in the neck. I call it a neck. You guys don't,
then you don't, but
something. I call it the neck because it's the neck and then the belly. Okay, but anyways, we're gonna stuff the slime in here, which is very easy to stuff it in the neck, but
stuff it into the
actual balloon. What you're gonna do is just roll it into that. Just shape. Yeah. Roll it into like a snake. And then open this up like this. Just push it in. Plop it in with it. Ow. With your finger.
This is my little brother Zane.
You may have seen him in some of my other videos. Okay, so this is how much I have stuffed in here, and Brooke just ran upstairs to go get us some hair things. We can tie it off, but trust me, if you just put it in the balloon, if you figure out a way how to put it in the balloon, then it's amazing.
Okay, so what you need is a balloon and some slime. And my slime's getting a little bit hard, so how to use a little bit hard slime. And then you're going to need scissors and then 2 little hair ties. But if you are not making just the neck part, then and you're filling it all the way up, then you will only need slime and a balloon.
Okay, so I just finished stuffing this. Now, I'm going to cut it to
There. So I'm going to tie
this end that we just cut first, just because we don't want it spilling out the bottom. And then twist it. Also, if you go watch our other video that we made, and if you didn't see that yet, then you can use this bottom part for the putting it over. Or if you guys, so you go like this and you put that over like that. I don't want to spoil the video, but it's like that. But you can just use it for it. So if you made this one and you haven't made one of those ones yet, then go ahead and save that balloon. So you're not wasting a balloon. Or half of the balloon. Yeah, or half of a balloon. Or whatever you...
Okay, and I'm going to
teach you how to make another thing because I don't want this to go to waste, but we've already made lots of these little things, and I don't want to make any more, so put some slime in there, and there you go. We'll need it. And I'm actually, because she got lots of hair things, actually going to use it. No need to tie it off. I guess you could do that, but if you want it to be more stable on the bottom, I guess, or like have a container, and you don't want to put it straight in the balloon, go watch our other video. We did it like 2 minutes before this one. Well, yeah. Not 2 minutes, because it's been 2 minutes, but we did it before this one. That's the point. Okay, and then there's your little extra one if you don't want to make the other one. It's a little neato. It's squishy.
oh my gosh.
I just forgot that we made that hole to get the air out. Yeah, so if you didn't do that, then good. Very But good. I did, but I'm going to take that. Where is it? I can't even find it. It's a bad thing.
Still twisting.
And it's coming, it's not coming up. We've stuffed it really full, and you can't really see it. You can't see it. You can't really. I don't know which one I'm gonna. If you see that little dot, it's coming out the top. I like this one because it's like a perfect size. These ones are if you want like a little base, but we showed you how to make that one. These ones are actually harder. And done. But and there you go. You got your little candy needle. I need to tie. Wait. This. No, not that. Just of this side to make them look the same. No, of that side because you want it to be like right. Yeah, but we want it short. The 5 goes on.
That's what
So cut this little.
Okay, should I cut this side now? Sure. No, don't. So this is a little candy. You couldn't tell already. Because you couldn't. I'm just ripping this one to make stuff.
No, don't.
Save it still. And then if you wanted to still save your balloon, take this little ring. There you go. Rubber band, hair tie. There you go. Okay. You guys are getting distracted by him. You guys are supposed to be watching us. Watch out. No, they're distractions. It's okay, Zane. I love you. She does. Oh my gosh.
Okay, look. You can stretch it, and you can.
Push it. And it looks like a little candy. And make sure to like and subscribe. If you want me to do more of these videos, stop. If you want me to do more of these videos, like making more crafts, and more fidget toys. So, stop making slime, okay? So, bye.